Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Esteemed FaceTime with Leaders, an initiative by World Development Corporation. I'm Sunny Pancholi, anchor at World Development Corporation. FaceTime with Leaders is a platform for industry titans to share their experiences, thoughts, ideas, and best practices in order to inspire one another and future leaders. In a nutshell, we attempt to encapsulate the multi-decadal learnings acquired by these industry leaders. We also hope that by conducting these FaceTime with Leaders interviews, we can bring together a global community of eminent personalities. By bringing together such visionaries on one platform, we hope to play a part in inspiring the lives of other leaders. Great learnings from great leaders undoubtedly assist everyone by identifying, nurturing, and using the trade secrets that are proven success formulas for many. And this is what we aim for with these sessions, by making them a gathering of industry stalwarts and a knowledge-sharing community. We have one such corporate titan on FaceTime with Leaders with us today, Mr. Premji B, a seasoned professional based in Hyderabad with an impressive track record spanning 2.5 decades. His expertise encompasses Agile coaching, product management consulting, safe practice consulting, organizational transformation, program management, strategy, and business coaching. A true catalyst for embracing a lean, agile mindset, Mr. Premji has been instrumental in driving organizational transformations. In his role as the head of products at ONPASSIVE Technologies, he orchestrated a significant 30% boost in annual revenue by crafting and executing a robust product strategy. His leadership prowess extends to market research, go-to-market strategies, providing agile coaching, mentoring product, user experience, and artificial intelligence teams. Under his dynamic leadership, the team witnessed a remarkable 25% improvement in productivity through effective farming and grooming practices. Mr. Premji is not just a professional, he is also the visionary author of the upcoming book, The Transcendental Professional. This book takes you on a transformative journey with a business consultant renowned for his unconventional leadership and problem-solving approach. Armed with the 7G Transcendental Framework, he bridges the gap among stakeholders, guiding them towards a unified vision. Welcome to FaceTime with Leaders, Mr. Premji.
Thanks a lot for this introduction and this opportunity to showcase my experience and expertise in becoming a board member. So I again appreciate this efforts, and I like to thank for this opportunity again.
So, Mr. Premji, could you elaborate on your experience as a head of product on ONPASSIVE Technologies? What were your key responsibilities and achievements during your tenure there?
Great. It's a great experience, in my last stint as a product head. My key responsibilities include product strategy. That's what it all starts from, where we develop and communicate a clear product strategy to the team, aligning that with the company's vision and goals. And we also identify market trends, customer needs, and competitive landscapes during those, defining those product strategies. Then we get involved into the market research activity, where we conduct thorough market research to understand the customer needs, industry trends, and competitive products. So giving this market insights, we make informed decisions on our product features, positioning, and product differentiation, which we have from our competition. Then we get into the user experience and design part of it, where we create user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing product experiences through our UX and design teams. We have a product design which commensurates with the overall brand, and it meets customer expectations. We ensure that this alignment is met with the product design and the expectations of our brand and the market. Then coming into the product development, I oversee the end-to-end product development life cycle from ideation to launch, where we call it as the 0 to 1 path. We also collaborate successfully with cross-functional teams, ensuring that your silos of kind of working is not there, so that we have a better collaboration. The cross-functional teams also includes your marketing, your design, your engineering teams, compliance, and artificial intelligence teams also. And then based on that, we do the road mapping. The roadmap is nothing but a short-term and long-term goals of a product, and what is getting released to the market. And also we prioritize features and enhancements. We'll ensure that we have the customer feedback, market demands and the business objectives are met, all put together in the roadmap, starting from your vision of the product, mission, OKRs, and connecting that with the customer requirements and expectations, and you plan your releases on top of it. So apart from this, we also ensure that we have a strong team. So we build a good team leadership, innovation and adaptability, because that's where your product features come in, your cross-functional collaboration, stakeholder management, performance monitoring, and also not leaving the budget management, where our project budget is ensuring that the efficient allocation is done. We achieve the business goals within the budget, and we ensure that we monitor and control all these costs to the product development. We also enhance the ensure that we have the good customer feedback and support, so that your enhancements and product features are getting always updated through all the releases. Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you for the excellent start to this interview. So continuing our conversation, Mr. Premji, our viewers would like to know, what were the strategies you implemented to achieve a 30% increase in the annual revenue at ONPASSIVE Technologies?
Yeah, revenue increase in revenue is also one of the biggest business goals any business would love to have. So what we do is ensure that we do the market expansion properly. So we enter into new market segments. So we do a product expansion also, so that customers have a gamut of products to choose from. We also analyze market trends and customer needs. And based on that, we tailor a product for different demographics, because each the same features may not be used in the same demographics. So people are used to certain cultural changes in different demographics, and we ensure that our product meets those criteria also. So market expansion is the first thing which we do. We do also do the pricing optimization. We analyze the pricing models. We perceive perceived product value, whether the customer is getting the perceived product value. We ensure that through our pricing. We also consider dynamic pricing strategies depending on conditions, maybe seasonal discounts and stuff. So based on the market demand and the competitive landscape, we have a dynamic pricing. So our pricing optimization is the next activity which we do to enhance a good increase in the revenue. We also do a feature enhancement where we conduct repeated periodic customer surveys and feedback analysis. We prioritize and implement enhancements. We add significant value to the product periodically, so that customers also feel the value, and they like to pay more, for premium values. So we ensure that we give customer education programs so that customer knows how to use our products. We focus on feedback loops. We focus on global expansion, cross-selling and upselling of our products, strategic partnerships, product bundling, multiple products like combos. We have customer retention programs, investment in marketing, user acquisition strategies. We do data-driven decision-making, customer experience enhancement, product diversification, agile project development, operational efficiency, and continuous innovation, all put together. When you implement it as and you put it part of your roadmaps, and your backlogs have efficient management of your backlogs, you can achieve this. And we have achieved a 30% increase in our revenue, and it can be implemented in any organization I go.
That sounds incredible. So building on to that, team leadership and development are critical for successful product management, right? So how do you foster a culture of high performance and collaboration with your product teams? That is part A. And can you share a challenging team situation where you have encountered a problem, and how have you addressed it?
Okay, well, whenever we talk about a high performance team, the first thing which has to be encountered is a clear vision and goals, because the communication is very important. So communicating a compelling vision and setting clear goals to a team is the first step into defining in building a high performance team, because everybody aligns to the same vision of the company or the product which you are developing. So aligning the individual and the team's objectives, and connecting that with the vision, and that creates a sense of purpose. That is where team gets motivated. And effective leadership is the next thing which we focus on, because cultivating a strong and inspirational leadership is quite important. We ensure leaders to provide guidance, support, direction to our team members. It could be a team level leadership, or it could be an organization level leadership, but we ensure that the leaders are empowered enough to provide those guidance. We create a collaborative environment, because to build a high performance team, it's important that teams collaborate with each other with ease. So we create an open collaborative workspace where the communication is open. we create an environment where ideas and feedbacks are being freely shared. That's the sense of psychological safety, that people can come up with their feedback and and you are not judged. So people come up with a lot of innovation and open discussions, which will ensure that the teams are enabled with high performance. So cross-functional collaboration is, as I said, is quite important. The cross-functional collaboration actually ensures that the silos are broken down. That is very important. So we have a holistic collaboration, right? So empowerment and autonomy is important, where we encourage autonomy and empowering the team to make decisions. So local decisions can be made within the team itself. We call it as a decentralized decision making. So that allows a sense of authority and power to the team at different levels of the team. That improves the collaboration and creativity, of course. So we also ensure that we provide the right recognition and rewards, training and development programs. We have innovation encouragement, diversity and inclusion, flexible and work-life balance, agile adaptation to ensure they're able to adapt to different changing conditions. We do a lot of team building activities, resource accessibility whenever the team requires, and we have a continuous improvement and a customer-centric focus. All ensures that the team is enlightened and the team has the right powers and the knowledge and the skill to ensure that they perform to their best, and that's how you build those high performance teams.
Rightly said, Mr. Premji. So now that we have discussed your career journey, your roles and responsibilities, let's move on to the subject of ESG and corporate governance. So here is my question to you, and a very obvious one. What kindled your interest in ESG and corporate governance?
See, actually, ESG and corporate governance are quite important in the way going forward in the future, because that is a big impact of our as a corporate. We have big impact on people, society as such. The people we call it as the profits, people, and the planet. So it is always important to ensure that as corporate citizens be more responsible to contribute to the to ESG activities and the corporate governance. So we also, in my experience, I also have practiced a lot of these activities. I've done a couple of activities which I like to share. So I established inclusive hiring practices. Say, for example, we put a diverse job postings. Say, for example, instead of user-specific, using user-specific, gender-specific pronouns like he or she, we use neutral language like they, them, applicant, so that you don't have any biasing on any of the gender. We also do blind resume screening, where the details on the personal information of the candidate is removed from a particular resume, so that the shortlisting happens without any bias. We also ensure that we have a diverse interview panel. For example, a designer interview could have somebody from the product and also from the development. So they have a different perspective. So apart from the technicalities of the design, which the design interview panel would check for, the product team will see whether or not they are able to understand the product requirements and come up with the design accordingly. And the development team can say how the design is integrated with their product development, how easy it is, seamless it is. So this gives a different perspective, and the right recruits are recruited. So this kind of diversification and inclusivity in the hiring process helps in taking better candidates, and it provides a good opportunity for everyone without any discrimination. So we also foster a diverse team. We also have something called as employee research groups, where the underrepresented employees we are in a group to support themselves, and also a lot of networking opportunities are given to them, where there's a platform for advocacy for them. So that also includes women group, or it could be people with disabilities, and that's how we ensure that we have these groups, employee resource groups, helping each other. Even we also have a diversity training and workshop, which is planned periodically, usually once in a quarter. So that ensures that these workshops and these cultural competencies, unconscious biases or anything doesn't happen. So people know that that's inclusivity and diversification within the team. What is the importance of it? What is the impact of it? So even in the product development, we use inclusive design practices. We use diverse perspectives for decision making. We regularly use this diversity and inclusion assessments to ensure that all the teams are aware of it, and where something is lagging, we do another program to ensure that they understand this. And overall, we ensure that we have the accountability and transparency of these programs. So this is how we implemented, or rather I implemented this kind of ESG and diversity programs within my organization, and this is how we monitor and we track, and this was my experience in that. So adding to your corporate governance, my involvement in this, I'm deeply committed to implementing robust corporate governance practices. My interest in this field stems from a combination of factors, including my passion for ethical leadership, my belief in the importance of transparency and accountability, and my recognition of this role that governance plays in ensuring a long-term success and sustainability of any organization. My journey to this position has equipped me with a diverse set of skills and experiences that are highly relevant to corporate governance. Over the years, I have honed my strategic leadership abilities, cultivated deep understanding of risk management and compliance, and developed strong stakeholder management skills. These experiences have prepared me well for a boardroom position where I can contribute effectively to governance discussions and decision-making process. One of the key ways in which I implement the corporate governance is by championing a culture of integrity and ethical behavior within our organization. I lead by example, ensuring that all our product development activities are conducted with highest level of honesty, fairness, and transparency. I also work closely with our executive team to establish clear governance structures and policies that promote accountability and compliance with regulatory requirements. So in addition to my hands-on experience in product management, I have also sought out opportunities for professional development in the field of corporate governance. So I have attended a lot of workshops, seminars, and training sessions focused on governance best practices. And I actively engage in industry experts and thought leaders to stay informed about emerging trends and developments in this field, because it is ever growing, and we also should be abreast with the developing and moving trends. So leveraging my expertise and experiences, I'm able to contribute meaningfully to corporate governance discussions at the board level, wherever it is assessing risk. It could be evaluating strategic initiatives or ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. I bring a wealth of knowledge of insight to the table that has guided organizations towards greater success and sustainability. In short, my interest in corporate governance is driven by a deep-seated belief in its importance of organizational success and integrity. Through my leadership expertise and commitment to ethical conduct, I strive to ensure that our company upholds the highest standards of governance, thereby earning the trust and confidence of our stakeholders and positioning us for a long-term and prosperity. So I also wanted to share my interest as an executive or a non-executive directorship or a dual role depending on the need or the need arises. And I want to be domain agnostic so that my strategies and the implementations are always applicable to most of the domains. And I'm a quick learner. I can adapt to any kind of domain, and I'm open to any location if an opportunity arises.
All right. So as a practitioner and expert of ESG and corporate governance, Mr. Premji, what values do you bring to the table?
Yeah, being an expert in this corporate governance and ESG, I bring a set of values and principles to the table that are deeply rooted in integrity, accountability, and sustainability. My passion for driving positive change in the industry is driven by a firm belief in the importance of ethical leadership, responsible business practices, and the need to create long-term value to all stakeholders. I am motivated by a desire to address pressing societal and environmental challenges while also promoting transparency, fairness, and inclusivity within the organization. I believe that businesses have a crucial role to play in addressing issues such as climate change, social inequality, and ethical governance. And I'm committed to leveraging my expertise to drive meaningful impact in these areas. My interest in effective change in the industry stems from the recognition of the urgent need for greater accountability and transparency in corporate practices. Throughout my career, I have witnessed firsthand and consequences of poor governance and unsustainable business practices, and I'm determined to be part of the solution. And in my role as a product head, I have the opportunity to implement ESG principles and best practices within our organization, leading initiatives aimed at reducing our environmental footprint, promoting diversity and inclusion, and enhancing our governance structures. For example, I spearheaded the development of a comprehensive sustainability strategy that not only improved our environmental performance, but also contributed to cost savings and enhanced our reputation as a responsible corporate citizen. As a candidate for an independent director position, I believe that my background and experience may well be suited to drive positive change and promote good governance within companies. My expertise in ESG and corporate governance, combined with my strategic mindset and collaborative leadership style, enable me to effectively navigate complex challenges and advocate for the interest of all the stakeholders. Looking ahead, my ambitions and aspirations on the corporate governance front are to continue advocating for greater transparency, accountability, and sustainability in the business practices. I'm committed to driving meaningful change as both the organization and the industry levels, and I'm eager to collaborate with like-minded professionals to advance our shared goals. In summary, my values as an ESG and corporate governance expert are grounded in integrity, accountability, and sustainability. I'm driven by passion for positive change and commitment to driving meaningful impact in the industry. Through my actions and advocacy, I strive to create a more equitable, transparent, and sustainable future for all.
Absolutely amazing, Mr. Premji. Okay, let's move ahead and let's discuss technology and its impact on your professional landscape. So here is my question to you. As someone working closely with technology, what are some changes you want to bring about with the implementation of IoT, AI, ML, blockchain, digital twin, big data, Web 3.0, etc.?
Right. Technology is always evolving, and we need to be in the right position to adapt those technologies which enable your product to meet your business goals. So as a product head working closely with technology, I'm keen to leveraging always emerging technologies such as IoT, artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, cloud computing, digital twin, big data, Web 3.0, and such. So I aim to integrate IoT and devices and sensors into our products to enable real-time data collection and analysis. This will allow us to offer personalized and context-aware experiences to users, optimize operational efficiency, and unlock new revenue streams through IoT-enabled devices, solutions, and services. I also envision harnessing the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to ensure product intelligence, automative and repetitive tasks, and deliver predictive analytics capabilities. By leveraging AI-driven insights, we can optimize product performance, personalize user experience, and drive innovation across all our products. So I see blockchain technology as a means to enhance trust, security, and transparency in our products and services. By implementing blockchain-based solutions, we can streamline transactions, mitigate fraud, and ensure data integrity, thereby enhancing a good customer confidence and enabling new business models arise out of this. So embracing cloud computing enables us to scale our product infrastructure dynamically, improve accessibility, and enhance collaboration across diverse teams or distributed teams. So my migration to cloud platforms and services, by doing this, we can accelerate our product development cycles, reduce operational costs, and drive innovation at scale. I believe that digital twin technology offers immense potential to optimize product design, simulate various real-world scenarios, and improve decision-making process. By creating digital replicas of physical products and systems, we can gain valuable insights into the performance, identification of optimization opportunities, and drive continuous improvement to product life cycles. So leveraging big data analytics enables us to drive technology insights from large and complex data sets, driving important and informed decision-making, and uncovering hidden platforms and trends or patterns. By harnessing the power of big data, we can optimize product features, personalize user experience, and identify new market opportunities. With the advent of Web 3.0, I aim to explore decentralized architectures, peer-to-peer networks, and blockchain-based protocols to create more open, interoperable, and user-centric digital experiences. By embracing the principles of Web 3.0, we can empower users to have greater control over their data, fostering collaboration and drive innovation in the digital economy. So overall, my goal is to harness the transformative potential of these technologies to drive product innovation, enhance customer experiences, and create sustainable value for the organization I associate with and to all its stakeholders. And that need not be one single technology that can help us enable achieving this. That could be a combination of multiple technologies. It all is driven by the product vision and the business goals. So based on the requirements, we can use our navigate and use our technologies to enable we achieve our product and business goals.
So Premji, thank you for sharing such amazing insights into different subjects. So this brings us to the last question of the session, and here it is. We are building a community of industry magnates. The move is meant for cross-pollination of knowledge and building a knowledge-sharing community of corporate giants and industry experts. So what are your thoughts about these initiatives taken by Mr. Zishan Pathan, Mr. Heval Mehta, and the team of World Development Corporation?
Great. I think this initiative to build a community of industry magnates is commendable. It reflects a forward-thinking approach towards fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing among corporate giants and industry experts. By facilitating cross-pollination of knowledge, this initiative has the potential to drive innovation, foster professional growth, and address industry challenges collectively. So the involvement of Mr. Zishan Pathan, Mr. Heval Mehta, and the entire World Development Corporation team underscores their commitment to creating a platform for meaningful exchange and collaboration within the industry. Their leadership and vision will be instrumental in guiding the community towards achieving its goals and maximizing its impact. Overall, I believe the initiative holds great promise in bringing together diverse perspectives, insights, and expertise to drive positive change and innovation within the industry. So I look forward to witnessing the collaborative contributions and accomplishments of the industry magnates community under the guidance. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah.
Great. It was fantastic conversing with you, and I'm confident that your insights will inspire future leaders. Thank you, Mr. Premji, for joining us today. Wish you the best for your future endeavors. Moreover, trust that this initiative by Directors Institute has unquestionably expanded participants' understanding and enriched their minds.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for this opportunity once again.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Same to you.